Hi, this is Erin Hardy from the Excel Lady. Today I'm going to show you Google Sheets. Yes, we do Google Sheets as well. This was a brand new system created for an art gallery that wanted to have a place to put all of the art work that they displayed during exhibitions, and then also a list of buyers for each of those artworks. So this particular sheet would be copied for each new exhibition. So basically what happens is they type in the artist name, ABC, ABC Art 1, and all of the details. Use a checkbox and say the artist name also does a second one. And etc. So those options I don't need to put in just yet. So for instance, we've popped those in, and then users can come in and add in details as they want. And then in the buyers, they can actually put the buyer's details and then select the name of the artist. And it only shows the last two of them, even though there's multiple artworks for this particular one, and then the title. And then they can pop whether they've paid, they're not paid, there's a payment plan, etc., and whether it's shipped or not, and then any details they need. And that's it. That's a really simple but very effective and clean way of displaying artwork and the clients that are buying that artwork. If you would like any more information, you can contact support@theexcellady.com.au or visit www.theexcellady.com.au. Thank you so much. Bye.